Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off voicemail on an iPhone. The main thing to know is that voicemail is controlled by your mobile carrier, so the exact steps can vary depending on who your carrier is. Many carriers allow you to disable voicemail using a special dialing code. First, check whether your carrier supports voicemail deactivation and what code they use. You can usually find this by doing a quick Google search or checking your carrier's website. For example, on some T-Mobile postpaid plans, the voicemail deactivation code is #004#. Once you have the correct code, open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap the keypad tab at the bottom. Enter the voicemail deactivation code exactly as provided by your carrier, then tap call. Wait a few seconds while your carrier processes a request. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Tap dismiss to exit. After this, voicemail should be disabled on your line. If your carrier doesn't support voicemail deactivation through short codes, they may offer other options. This could include calling a specific number and following voice prompts, or contacting customer support to request voicemail removal. You can also choose to disable certain voicemail features instead of turning it off completely, such as forwarding calls when your phone is busy, unanswered, or unreachable. These options also use carrier-specific dialing codes, so you'll need to check your carrier's website for the correct ones. And that's how you turn off voicemail on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.